Welcome to our channel. Understanding how weather affects your shots provides a significant advantage. These skills help you adapt to changing conditions. Step 1. Observe natural indicators before and during your round. Watch trees, flags, and grass to determine wind direction and strength at different locations on the course. Step 2. Remember that wind affects higher shots more than lower trajectories. A 7-iron affected significantly might be replaced by a 6-iron with lower flight. Step 3. Account for swirling and gusty wind. Consistent wind allows precise adjustments, but variable conditions require conservative club selection and aim. Step 4. Understand that into-wind shots need extra club while maintaining smooth tempo. Hard swings into wind create excess backspin, causing ballooning. Step 5. Factor humidity and temperature into distance calculations. Hot, dry air allows balls to fly farther than cold, humid conditions. Adjust club selection appropriately. Step 6. Consider rain effects on both ball flight and course conditions. Wet air reduces distance while wet fairways eliminate roll. Soft greens accept shots more readily. Step 7. Adjust for altitude if playing at elevation. Higher elevations reduce air resistance, allowing balls to fly considerably farther than sea level. Step 8. Monitor weather changes during your round. Shifting wind direction or intensifying wind requires continuous adaptation rather than static adjustments. Step 9. Practice in various weather conditions to develop experience and confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.